guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with yet another Dollar Tree haul. We all know these are my favorite kinds of hauls, and I'm sure they're yours too. First I want to show you the couple of reusable bags that I picked up. First one is this old school Minnie and Mickey one. I just thought this one was really cute. I really love the fact that it's the old school Minnie and Mickey, and I love the colors of it and everything. The next one I grabbed was this Little Mermaid bag. Just got Ariel on it, and I love the colors of this one as well. And this one says mermaids have more fun. So I just had to grab those. They had a bunch of new bags, but I really didn't even need these two. So next I just have a bunch of candy to show you guys. First I will show you these. I got a couple bags of these mini carnival pops. I got one bag of this one, and then I got one of the sour ones. Now these are kind of weird to me, you guys. Like, I don't know. They have a nice fruity flavor, but there's also like a hint of like almost a perfumey, like hairspray kind of flavor to them. It's so weird. So I can't decide if I like them or not. I've only tried one, so I don't know. They just seem kind of strange to me, but there's an 8 count of those, and I haven't tried the sour ones yet, so maybe these will be a little better. I'm not sure, but I just grabbed one of each of those, luckily. Okay, next I grabbed another bag of the banana Laffy Taffies. I love these. These are awesome. And they still say limited edition, but it seems like my Dollar Tree is restocking them quite often, so hopefully they'll be carrying those for a while. And I also picked up a bag of the pineapple and guava Laffy Taffies, which honestly I'm not a huge fan of these. They're not my favorite. The banana ones are definitely better, but if you like, I'm not a huge fan of pineapple, so I don't know. I like pineapple flavored things usually, but I don't know, these are a little too tart for me, I guess. I like them more sweet, and the banana ones are definitely more sweet. So yeah, I definitely choose the banana ones over these, but they definitely have this flavor as well if you guys are interested. Alright, next I had grabbed 4 bags of these Starbursts, but 3 of them didn't make it to this video. I'm left with 1 bag. I need to pick up more of these, but they have the all pink Starburst now, the small little bags. There's about 18 to 20 per bag, I believe. So I'm really excited that they have these for $1. And these don't say limited edition like the other packs do, so if they keep making these, that would be awesome, because I love just putting these in a candy dish. It just, you know, because they're pink and it looks cute, so yeah. And then these next 3 bags I actually picked up for work, because we're allowed to have hard candy on the floor at my job. So these are my 3 favorites that I like to have on hand. The first one are the Werther's Original. Absolutely love these. They're just caramel hard candies, and these are just the best caramel flavored candies ever. Well, not flavored, because I think it is actual caramel, but you know what I mean. They're delicious. They're very good, and it's caramel. Okay, I don't care who you are. It is not caramel. It is caramel. There's an A in there. Caramel. Caramel. I'm just kidding. Say it how you want, but I say caramel. And then the next one I picked up are the Lifesavers, and I love the wintergreen. These are definitely my favorite. I'm not a fan of the peppermint ones. I'm not really a huge fan of peppermint flavoring. When it comes to mints, at least, I really love anything like wintergreen or winter mint, or, you know, anything like that. Even spearmint I like better. So I grabbed a pack of those. And then the last pack of candy I picked up are the Jolly Rancher hard candies. These are the bold fruit smoothie flavors, and it's strawberry, watermelon, peach, mixed berry, and orange. And they are so good. I love these. Those are all those candies I like to have at work. And then the next thing I picked up, my boyfriend was like, really? Are you really getting that? Even though he just asked me for a piece of it. So it is the Fruit Stripes gum. Do you guys remember this from the 90s? Like, I'm so excited that they still make this. It's so good. I know this flavor only lasts for like 5 seconds, but it's like the best flavored gum, even though it only lasts for 5 seconds. The next couple of items are definitely a couple of my favorites that I found so far at Dollar Tree, because I didn't think I would come across these at my stores. But anyway, I grabbed 2 of each of these colors. Now they had 3 colors, but the third one I like these two better than the other one, but I grabbed two of this one, which is pink, and it says make your dreams happen. And these are like hefty too. These are like made out of porcelain or something, because these are so like such good quality. Hopefully you guys can see the color okay. But it's like pink and gold. And like I said, I picked up two of these. I'm probably going to hang on to these two for like my future beauty room when I have like my own space. But I had to pick up a couple of those to hang on to. And these I could probably use now, honestly. I think I might use one in our bathroom and one in our bedroom. But these ones are black, and there's kind of a different design to the, you know, frame part of it. But it says see the stars in gold. And I picked two of these up. I thought these were so nice. I could not believe the quality of these. Okay, the next thing I picked up was just this little, I think you're supposed to put, you could put wax, like a little wax melt on the top and then like a tea light in the bottom. But I got it to just put on display, you know, in my beauty area. I'll probably set something on the top of it. But I stuck one of those color changing rose tea lights inside. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let me turn this off. So I don't know, I just thought that looked really cool. And I definitely, you know, had to get the pink one. They had a couple other colors. I think they had like a green one and a white one. But, you know, pink is my color, so definitely picked up that one. I almost grabbed two. I don't know why. I always feel like I need to grab two of everything. But I just went with one of those. Now, this next thing I did pick up two of because I really liked both of these designs. These are just the little wristlet, it's calling it a wristlet. They had three different choices, but I just chose these two. And I've been on the hunt for these. I don't know why. I just have a thing for like little pouches and makeup bags, like, because I like to use these to like store things in. I don't know, they're just really pretty. And of course you could use this if you just wanted to carry your phone in it or something. I don't know, it seems like really good quality. But I picked up this one with the pink zipper. Thought it was really pretty. And then I also picked up this design with the purple zipper. And I just thought these were so pretty. I love how they're iridescent and just, they're so cute. So I'm so glad I finally found those. Next I came across this book, and it is a Christie Brinkley book, and it's Timeless Beauty. I thought this was a really cool find for $1. And this is like the third like beauty related book that I found at Dollar Tree. I think it's really cool. That's what the inside looks like. So it's just a book of, says over 100 tips, secrets, and shortcuts to looking great. And she's 61 years old. Wow. She looks amazing for 61 years old. I hope to look that good at 61. My lord. But yeah, this looks like a really cool book. And like, even if I were to take the cover off, the inside has the same picture. Sometimes I like to take these covers off because they just like rip easily and everything. Okay, next, I don't know why I got this because I don't have a pool, but I thought it was so cute, and I'm going to use it in here somehow, even if I use it as just a coaster. But I picked up this inflatable cup holder, and it's kind of like this rose gold color with pink sprinkles. So I've already inflated it, and it's really cute, and it does fit, like, I kind of smush it in there, but it does fit like a pretty large soda, even if you just want to use it as a coaster. Or I might use it as just a candy dish. Just put some candy in there. I don't know. I thought it was too cute to pass up. It's only $1, right? Okay, next I picked up a couple of these Dial soaps. Of course the color caught my eye, but the scent sounded amazing as well. They are in the scent Sweet Watermelon. I grabbed two of them. Honestly would have grabbed the last three that they had, but the third one was like broken already or something, so I had to leave that one behind. But these smell so good. It smells just like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, and these ones are actually a little bigger than normal. They're 25% more, so I definitely had to pick up two of these. They smell amazing. Okay, a couple other soaps I picked up are these Dawn Gentle Clean soaps in the pomegranate splash scent, and they just look like this. And of course I picked these up for the color as well. I just thought these would look really cute in my dish soap dispenser that I have. I just thought this pink would look so cute in it, so I just picked up two of those for now to put into that. Okay, next I came across this cute little decor piece, and it just says good morning, but I really loved the pink background with the eyelashes. Now, they all looked a little haggard, like the black part looks a little dusty or faded, but I'm just, you know, gonna repaint that or cover it with washi tape or something. But I just thought this was so cute and I had to pick this up. I love their little decor signs that they always come out with. I always end up finding at least one or two that I love. And then next I picked up this little keychain. I thought it was adorable. I love the different colored hair because it reminded me of the Trolls, like the 90s Trolls. But it's just this little unicorn keychain and it's pink. They had different colors, but I don't even have to explain why I got the pink one. You guys know. But yeah, I thought it was really cute. So this is just gonna go with my little keychain collection that I currently am growing. And then next I picked up this magnetic list pad. It's 80 sheets, but I thought it was really cool. I loved the rose gold top here and like the marble looking effect that it has. And then it says I'm busy on the bottom, and I just love the mint green too. And I just thought all these colors together looked really cute, and I don't need any more list pads, so that's why I got it, obviously. Okay, last few things. We picked up this activated charcoal toothpaste. My boyfriend wanted to give this a try because he's currently using one from TJ Maxx and really enjoys it, so we wanted to give this one a try, and if it's good, you know, you can only pay $1 for it. So this says it fights plaque, whitens teeth, freshens breath, and it's free from sulfates and artificial dyes. And it's just from the brand Extreme by Natural White. So that's what it looks like there. So we're just gonna give that a try and see how that works. And then I picked up this ring holder. Actually thought this was something else. I forgot I picked this up, but I picked up another one of these ring holders, but this one is like a marble. So I currently have a phone case coming in the mail from eBay that I paid like 2 cents for because I had a $3 off promo code that I could use. But I figured that this one would look cute on that phone case, so that's why I grabbed that. I like to have different ones for different phone cases so I don't have to keep removing them and putting them on my new phone case. So that's why I grabbed that, and especially for $1, those things can definitely get expensive. I think the pop sockets range from like $10 to $15, which is kind of ridiculous. But anyway, the last few items I have are some lipsticks from the Color Workshop brand. And this first one I have looks like this. I thought the packaging was super cute, and that's pretty much why I picked it up. But these don't have any names on them, which kind of sucks. But this one is just like a pinky mauve color. And I'll go ahead and swatch these real quick. And honestly, out of all of these, this one I would not recommend. I mean, unless you're looking for more of like a balm type of lip product, like more of a lip balm, then you might like this, but it's just like really sheer and more of like a lip balm type of feel. But the next three are honestly pretty good. Here's what the next one looks like. And like I said, it sucks they don't have names, but I really like the packaging. It's super cute. So this is like a peachy orange color. More peachy than orange, but this one swatches a lot better, a little more pigmented. It's a little more pigmented than the last one. So there is that peachy orange one, and then the next one is a red, and even this one I thought was going to be like the pink one where it swatched more like a sheer balm, but this one actually has some decent pigmentation to it. It's more of a pinky red. Not really like the packaging. Packaging is more like a true red, but it's more like a pinky red, but really not bad for $1. And then the last one is this kind of nude color here. And this is says spring on, so I guess this is kind of just like a spring collection. They also had eyeshadows, lip glosses, and blushes, but I was really only interested in the lipsticks because, like I mentioned before, I'm trying to regrow my lipstick collection because I'm getting out of the liquid lipstick phase. Here is that nude. I honestly really love this nude color. I think it's a perfect nude for like fair skin, so I'm excited to get some use out of that one. But Like I said, the packaging is just adorable on these, so I had to at least grab those. They had a fifth color, but my store was out of that one. I think it was another like pinky shade, so I just grabbed the last 4 that they had. But that was everything, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this haul and saw some things you were interested in, and I hope you can find those things if you are interested in any of these items. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. I always forget to do a thumbnail. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what that was. What the what? So much candy. I want y'all to see my friends, because these are my only friends. Why am I like this? Like rose petal things in the side in the